Imagine yourself in this Kia 2018 Optima S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.